Okay, ready. Unboxing Hoover Air Steerable Vacuum Cleaner, 5-year limited warranty. Exclusive wind tunnel 3 technology, lightweight steerable technology, multi-floor electronic brush roll on off. 咩嚟㗎? Oh, instruction booklet. And yeah, the brush. Okay, handheld brush. Open it. This is mainly for my wife, so I let her do it. Hopefully it's easy. It's supposed to be lightweight. What's that? Oh, handheld tube. Anything inside?
Nothing.
Okay, good, that's okay. Nice, simple, easy package. Basically, 2 pieces. Okay, I'll let you learn how to do it. Install it. I don't know. Is that it? Very good.
Black Friday.
Now what? I love Black Friday sale. This one, right? This one. This one.
Which one?
Wow. Where are you gonna put it on? Where are you going to put this? Oh well, put it after. Trying to install the tube. Wow. Oh, that's a handle. That's the handlebar. You see the picture? Look at the picture of the box. Now what? Yeah, I think so. Let's put it in. Yeah, it's like a sword. And then, yeah, maybe, yeah. No, maybe you don't need to put it in yet. Where's number 2? What number 2? Okay, number 2 is, yeah, see? Number 2 goes in number 2. This is number 1. See? There you go. Number 2 and number 2. There you go. Simple. See? Or you take it up. Is this number 1? Does it say number 1 anywhere? Okay, no. So maybe okay, let's see. This is
What's this?
What's that? For the wire. That's for the wire. Yeah, move it up. Turn it up. Yes, now you can get the wire to go from top to bottom. The wire. Yeah. See? Just keep going. Top and bottom. Keep turning it. That's it. Number 1. Floor cleaning is insert the hose. That's a number. Stop! Hose mode. And then this floor mode. Floor mode is like that. No. The hell is floor mode? Oh, number 1 is behind. See? Look, number 1's on the back of the hose. So you put it here, number 1. Yeah. And then I guess if that's the case, you pull this out. Press this button and pull this out. There you go. And then yeah, put it there. And yep. Yeah, just like that. And then put it back. Yep. And then I'll go back to the normal mode too. Just pour it out and then put it inside. Yeah, simple as that. Now this is the floor mode. And then are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Oh, okay. So there's a footprint. That means you step on it. And then that's how you vacuum. It's her toy. Very nice, on discount, 50% off. So what's the price? 99? 139?
139.
$139.99. Yeah.